Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode I'm going to make this super delicious roasted eggplant and vegetable sandwich with garlic mayo using my brand new wood-fired oven. Here I have one red, one yellow, and one orange bell pepper along with half a white onion and an eggplant. I'm simply going to cut these into strips like so. Then I'm going to toss the veggies into a large cast iron pan and coat them with extra virgin olive oil, kosher salt, and a little bit of cracked black pepper. Then I'm just going to give everything a good stir. Now I'm going to send these into a flaming hot oven where I'm going to cook them for about 20 minutes at roughly 450 degrees, occasionally stirring them. You could also do this on a grill over an open flame or in a regular oven at home. In either case, I would recommend adding a few drops of liquid smoke to get that smoky wood-fired flavor. And yeah, those look fantastic. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and quickly whip up some simple garlic mayo by mixing together a few big forkfuls of veganese with a couple teaspoons of garlic powder. And just a little bit of fresh lemon juice. Okay, and now we're ready to make the sandwich. I'll start out by spreading some of the garlic mayo on the bun, both the bottom and the top, a generous portion. Then I'm going to add the roasted veggies. And lastly, top it off with some baby spinach and arugula. Now I'm just going to gently cut this in half and we're ready to eat. Get back in there, you. There we go, that's much better. This sandwich was really delicious. I ended up eating about 6 of them for dinner, maybe 7, I don't know, don't judge me. But try it for yourself, perhaps with a little more self-control. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And, if you've made it this far, that means I haven't annoyed you away yet, so why not watch another one?